Energy Tech.
The Mars 2020 rover, Perseverance, is based on the Mars Science Laboratory's Curiosity rover configuration. It is car-sized, about 10 feet long, not including the arm, 9 feet wide, and 7 feet tall, about 3 meters long, 2.7 meters wide, and 2.2 meters tall. But at 2,260 pounds, 1,025 kilograms, it weighs less than a compact car. In some sense, the rover parts are similar to what any living creature would need to keep it alive and able to explore. Perseverance has a new science and technology toolbox. An important difference is that this rover can sample and cache minerals. To do so, Perseverance has a new coring drill to collect samples. The samples are then sealed in tubes and placed on the surface of Mars. In the future, another space mission could potentially pick up the samples and bring them to Earth for detailed analysis. Unlike people and most animals, the rover's brains, its computer, are in its boxy body. The computer module is called the Rover Compute Element, RCE. There are actually two identical RCEs in the body, so there is always a spare brain. The rover compute element interfaces with the engineering functions of the Perseverance rover over two networks which follow an aerospace industry standard designed especially for the high reliability requirements of airplanes and spacecraft. In addition, the RCEs have a special purpose to direct interfaces with all of the rover instruments for exchange of commands and science data. Perseverance generates constant engineering, housekeeping and analysis telemetry and periodic event reports that are stored for eventual transmission once the flight team requests the information from the rover. Perseverance carries a radioisotope power system. This power system produces a dependable flow of electricity using the heat of plutonium's radioactive decay as its fuel. The power source is called a multi-mission radioisotope thermoelectric generator, or MRTG for short. The MRTG converts heat from the natural radioactive decay of plutonium into electricity. This power system charges the rover's two primary batteries. The heat from the MMRTG is also used to keep the rover's tools and systems at their correct operating temperatures. This power system provides several advantages. The 14-year operational lifetime of an MMRTG provides significant reserve for Mars 2020 prime mission duration of 1.5 Mars years, 3 Earth years.
Energy Tech.